Hi friends, this is Vidya. Handling emotion or managing the mind when alone can be challenging, but there are several strategies that can be helpful for you. There is no single definition of a normal mind status, as a people mental status can vary widely depend on a number of factors such as genetics, environmental and life experience. However, in general, healthy and normal mind is one that allows an individual to function well in their daily life, maintain positive relationship, and experience a range of emotion without feeling overwhelmed or out of control. A normal mind can be characterized by good mental health, which includes having a positive outlook, being able to manage stress and emotions effectively, and having a strong sense of self-esteem and resilience. Additionally, a normal mind may also be open to learning new things, adapting to changes, and finding creative solutions to problems. It is important to note that mental health is a complex and dynamic concept, and seeking a professional help is always the recommended if someone is experiencing significant distress or impaired in their ability to function. I would like to share some tips that will help you to make you easy in your life and how you can manage your mental health, especially when you are alone or which in the stressful situation. So first is engage in self-care activity. Engage in activity that you enjoy, such as reading, listening to music, or taking a walk can help you feel more relaxed and centered. Second tip is practice deep breathing. Deep breathing, it will help you a lot. Deep breathing exercise can help calm the mind and body when feeling anxious or overwhelmed. Third is engage in physical exercise. Physical exercise can help release endorphins, which can improve mood and reduce feeling of anxiety or depression. Even light exercise such as stretching, yoga, meditation, or a short walk can be beneficial. Connect with others. While you may be physically alone, you can still connect with others through phone calls, social media, or video calls. Taking or talking with the friends or family members can help you feel more connected and supported. You can write in a journal. Writing down your thoughts and feeling can be a helpful way to process emotions and gain perspectives. Next is a practice self-compassion. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a friend. Next is set small goals. Setting small goals. Achieving goals can help you feel a sense of accomplishment and boost your mood. Focus on one task at a time and celebrate your progress. Practice gratitude meditation. Take time to reflect on what you are grateful for in your life. Practice gratitude can help shift your focus to positive things and improve your overall sense of well-being. Limit social media and news consumptions. Constantly checking social media or watching the news can increase feeling of anxiety and stress. Consider limiting your exposure to the source of information. Seek professional help. If you are struggling with your emotions or mental health, it is important to seek professional help from a therapist or a counselor. They can provide guidance and support to help you manage your emotions and develop coping strategy. Seek support from a hotline or crisis helping. If you are experiencing a crisis or are feeling overwhelmed, consider reaching out to a hotline or crisis helpline for immediate support. They can provide resources and guidance to help you manage your emotion and find emotional or additional support. These are the tips, my friends. Take care of yourself and manage your emotion very healthy way. Thank you very much for watching. Please like video and subscribe my channel for more information. Thank you very much.